I'm really tired of this rain. Saturday, and of course it is raining again. I'm recording some more stuff because you can do that with a GoPro. Maybe we'll ride tomorrow. We'll see you. It's like 7 a.m. on this Saturday, and as you can see, it's way too rainy to be out riding. However, I'm just coming home from the gym, and I know that, probably can't see it, but way down there, it is just flowing like crazy. That's awesome. So way back there, you can see the stream, and yeah, I'm out here getting wet, but you know what? Even this is beautiful. On a rainy day like this, yeah, I'm not on my bike, but, well, I hate it when I step in a puddle though. So on a day like today, it is actually cold. It's too wet to be out riding. However, it is still stunningly beautiful. And I'm so excited that I realized that there is a stream back there. That's pretty cool. Now we're heading up to, there's a road way over there. You can just see the flashing lights of that truck going up that way. Heading over there right now. Gonna go catch the view of the valley going that way from the top of that hill. Let's go. That, I'll bet, is an interesting view. This time I'm leaving the car running, but if you look, you can see the valley. I have to say, this is probably one of the crazier things I've done. No, it's really not. But look at the valley. I'm gonna go back up that way now and check it out up there. Look at the view through here. Oh, there's even an airplane up there, one of my favorites. One of my favorites. But what I was looking for is I was simply looking to find a place that I hadn't climbed, where a view of the valley back there in the rain. And what I found was a hill there that I haven't climbed. So it's kind of a twofold, really cool thing. But just look at that behind me. It's stunning. Everywhere you look, man, you just have to remember to keep your eyes open. Look at that. That is truly amazing. That is awesome. All the way around here. And yeah, I'm getting pretty wet. I'm sure that someone's going to be looking out here looking, who's the nut job that's standing up there in the rain with this camera on a stick? Oh, look at that. Man. Look at that view. So all of the water that is coming from all that stream is actually coming from out that way. And it goes here, this sounds kind of crazy. And yeah, I'm freezing. But it's really cool. It's amazing out here. Again, you just have to remember to keep your eyes open. Everyone have a wonderful day. It's not a cycle video. I'm not out in the middle of the mountains, but thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Stay dry. Hopefully it'll be dry enough to ride again soon. We'll see you. Thanks for watching again. Please subscribe. Watch it on YouTube. All right, see ya. Oh, and hit the like button too. Now I'm getting back in my car and I'm heading home. Okay, we'll see ya.